Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This evening, I have a very exciting video for you. I got Chris here with me. He's tightening up the alternator belt. And we are about to put this engine in the car. Super excited for this. One step closer to getting everything done. All I've got to do now is put the oil pan on and get the motor mounts on. So I've already set up the oil pan over here. I got my new gasket and I RTV'd it on the bottom as well as on the top. So that's ready to go in. And then I'll put the motor mounts on and we'll throw this thing in the car. So I hope you enjoy this video as much as we do. Please subscribe, like, share, leave your comments down below. Let us know what you think. We greatly appreciate it. So sit back and enjoy.
Yeah, bub. Don't forget the
pickup tube. That would have sucked. No oil pressure.
Yeah. This one's a 12. Is it smaller?
Yeah, it's 10.
All right.
Okay guys, so I got the oil pan and the motor mounts on. Chris helped me get everything bolted up, tightened down. Now we're getting ready to just put the motor in the car. Hopefully it goes in easier than it came out. So, wish us luck.
All right, everyone. Kyle's into the car right now, finishing up some bolts. But the motor is in, and we're gonna start hooking up transmission, cross member, downpipes, all the AC. We're gonna pull the intake back off so we can run the wiring harness back through there, get it all hooked up. Yeah, we'll get this all hooked up, and then we'll check back with you guys here in a minute to show you what we've done when we get the intake off.
Okay guys, quick update. Got the engine in. Chris already showed you guys that. I bolted up the motor mounts. I got the starter bolted up. Started plugging in some of the miscellaneous lines and things like that. What I'm about to do now is pull the intake manifold off with the throttle body and the expansion elbow, and I'm going to run what is the rat's nest of the wiring harness and get all of everything plugged in and ready and start buttoning up things that I can't reach with the intake manifold on. But first we got to make a food run because everybody's hungry. It's not super late. It's about 8:15 or 7:15. Weather's great, so hopefully here in the next few hours I can have everything buttoned up and have this thing ready to try to turn over for you guys in the next video. But that's my plan, get everything ready, get it all buttoned up, and then next video will actually be firing it up. So we're gonna go get some food. We'll be right back. What's up everybody? Fast forward a few days from the last clip in this video and we're here today. I got a few things done on the car, not a lot. Just did a few things that are kind of difficult to film, and basically what I did was I got the wiring harness run back underneath the intake manifold. I got the transmission part of the way bolted up, started putting in some cross members, bled the clutch, which that was kind of a pain, but got it done. So got pressure back on the clutch pedal, today what I want to try to do is get everything put back in the car, the radiator, the intercooler, the AC, get the exhaust run, get the transmission bolted out the rest of the way as far as the rear cross member goes, and basically get this thing ready to try to start. There's not a whole lot left to do. We're getting really close. So that's what I'm going to try to do today, and I'm going to try to film a bunch of it for you, or some of it anyway, and let you see how that goes. So here we go. Alright, so got the radiator in, got the fans in. Did it all in one shot. It's pretty dark under here. Got the fans on, got the hoses in. So radiator's in. I need one hose clamp because one of mine broke, so I'll have to go get that. But I think I have one here somewhere in the garage. I'll look for that. Then I'm going to put the intercooler in. And I'll give you guys an update just as soon as the intercooler goes in. Alright? Alright guys, quick update. Check it out. Got the intercooler in. All bolted up. Connected to the turbo, to the throttle body. We are looking good. I went ahead and filled the car with antifreeze. As soon as it starts, I'll have to bleed it, of course, but at least I know it's in there. The car's full of oil. Next, I'm going to be putting in the downpipe. So I might try to film it. I just don't know how good of an angle you're gonna have because I'm doing it all by myself, if you can't tell. So here's the downpipe. I'm gonna try to fish it in down there and bolt it up, get the V-band on, and then connect it to the rest of the exhaust because it's still under the car. So while I have the car up, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the exhaust on, or the downpipe on, and then just move forward, keep going, and lower the front of the car down, and then pick up the back of the car so I can get the brace that runs from the front to the back in, and bolt up the drive shaft because I pulled it out when we pulled the motor. So that's my next step. Like I said, a lot of this stuff's kind of hard to film by yourself, so you may not get to see everything, but I'm going to try to show you as much as I can and show you at least the end result. So be right back. What's up guys? This morning we have something very special. Fast forward a few days from what you saw last. I've been working out of state, so I haven't been able to touch the car much. But yeah, so the motor's in the car. It's all set up. It's ready to fire. And this morning, I have a very, very special guest with me. This is my daughter, Marley. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So, what are we gonna do to your race car right now?
We're gonna start it.
That's right, we're gonna start it. We're gonna start it for the second time. First time didn't go all that well, so I did a few things to it last night and this morning, and we're gonna start it and back it out in the driveway, check a few things out, make sure everything's working well. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, hop in. Oh, I know it's kind of tight, huh?
Yeah, it is tight.
Okay, can you reach the key?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
turn it. All right, now turn it some more. Oh, keep turning it.